It's the hottest day of the year. Rand's window air conditioner has stopped cooling at the worst possible moment. He opens WhatsApp and messages his Base 44 super agent, the same place he already chats every day. In plain language, he explains the problem. His home AC unit isn't cooling, and he needs a technician next Tuesday. The agent doesn't ask him to repeat his address. Rand is a Stripe Link wallet user, so the agent pulls his home location from Link and starts searching immediately. On the right, you can see what's happening under the hood. The Universal Scheduling Protocol registry is queried in real time. 3 AC repair options appear near Rand's home, each with price and duration. Rand picks HVAC Kobe, and the agent checks Rand's Google Calendar for conflicts, queries the provider's live availability, and presents open slots for Tuesday. Rand chooses 10:30 a.m. This is where USP matters. It is a native extension of UCP, the Universal Commerce Protocol, purpose-built for local, time-based services. Discover a provider, check slots, book the appointment, and pay. Through one standard flow agents and businesses can both trust. Before anything is charged, the agent recaps the booking, service, time, price, and Rand's verified contact details, all sourced from his Link wallet account. Rand approves the spend request, the payment is captured, booking is confirmed, and lands on Rand's calendar. From the consumer's view, an emergency solved in chat. From the provider's view, a structured booking on open protocol, not a messy phone lead. That's agentic services commerce, turning "my AC is broken" into a booked, paid service without leaving WhatsApp.